Raleigh Joseph Reynolds.
Oh?
Wow.
Oh my days.
How do you know his middle name? Because he told me it.
Y'all my Instagram. Y'all.
Randy Joseph Reynolds.
Yeah.
What's the difference between Christianity and Catholicism?
All right. So, big umbrella.
Catholic, y'all believe in marriage.
Okay. Big umbrella. Christianity. All right. Okay.
Are you Catholic?
Okay. So that's what we're talking about. Okay. Big umbrella. Christian. All right. Okay. Guys. Okay. Big umbrella Christian. Smaller umbrellas contained within Christianity are Catholic and Protestant. Okay, those of you who call yourselves Christian really Protestant. You are. You're a Protestant Christian. There are Catholic Christians and there are Protestant Christians. Christianity is the big umbrella.
How do you know
And
you're
then
Christian?
inside it are Catholic Protestants.
If you're Catholic, right?
Yeah.
People say that your book is way more like older than Christian. Remember that for
You mean the Catholic Bible is older than the Protestant Bible?
And there's like one book.
Oh, Hail Mary!
You know what's
Okay.
You know what's weird? Like,
Excuse me.
ever thought about it?
Excuse
that
me,
you're
no,
married
excuse
to
me.
God. He didn't want to be
Alright, Nisha.
Oh,
Rose. Alright. So this is a study Bible that
How
has
do you know if you're a Christian?
the Protestant Bible plus the Apocrypha. The Apocrypha are
why is it so big? What the heck?
Because it's a big
So
book.
basically,
Nope, we're not doing that.
oh my God, no!
Rose.
No, Rose, why are
Here's
you
the
doing
deal.
that?
Okay, so here's the Apocrypha. Okay? So the Apocrypha are Jewish books that were written before Jesus. That were not adopted by Jews. Later by the Reformers.
You never believe in God?
Are you recording, Dylan?
Anyway,
No, Dylan's been recording this whole class.